Why do all the electric welding machines in Germany cost hundreds of thousands? I will introduce it to you today. Like this welder, it is IMG 315DD, stands for Germany's first Pyong Britain Concorde. Like this welder, it is a circuit board imported from Germany, and it's a dual module. What are the advantages of this welder? I will tell you about it. This welding machine, it can weld galvanized pipes, and it can be welded stainless steel. It can also be welded underwater. It is dual module like this welder. Let's say you connect the ground cable to the slave. It can weld all the products on the planet, like this welder. And it's called 572 treasure welding. There is no need to connect to a gas cylinder. No gas connection is required. Simply attach the welding wire and it is ready to use. If you want to use electric welding, here's the switch. It can be used as an electric welding machine. Welding rods of 2.5, 3.2, 4.0 can be used. This welder is also known as a foolproof welder. There is no technology. Novice Xiaobai takes it back and doesn't need to learn or practice. You can just get started. I turned the back on and there was a separate switch. Accelerate the cables. Directly connected to the 220. It can be used. This welder doesn't have too much adjustment. Tune this place directly. It feeds the wire voltage and current. It's synchronous. To put it bluntly, it's called a fool welder. If you want to use a welding rod, newbie Xiaobai on the board. Swipe up a few times after the paddling is done. Then on the board, you can just do this and weld it. Pigs are raised in the house. Chickens, ducks, geese, pig breeding, sheep breeding, cattle breeding. Weld a pigsty, weld a new thing. Very tasty, very easy to use. It can weld all the products on the planet after the soldering is done. Top surface, skin knockdown. You can take a look at it. The voltage and current produced by the weld are very stable. If you want to use ergo welding, put it up and change everything. It is an ergo welding machine. This ergo welding machine, it's easier to operate. Put the welding torch on it. Press the switch directly. It's welding. Release the switch. It doesn't weld. It is very beautiful to weld out. If you want to weld stainless steel, what about this welder? Because it's dual module normal ordinary welding machine, it can't be welded. Because it's a dual module of the old German. It can be Erbao welding machine. Direct welding of stainless steel. Place the welding torch on the stainless steel. Press the switch directly. It's as simple as that. 0.5, 0.6. Feel free to weld at the same time. It can weld two different steels. Stainless steel and iron can all be welded together. What is the most important thing? It can be welded underwater. It is used by fishermen and shipyards at sea. Put the gun directly on the water. The water pipes in the house are broken. The water tank is broken. Just weld it directly. Give not to give force. Awesome words. You give me a blow. Double tap the screen to light up. If you want one too, click on the small yellow car below. I gave you 10 of them. If you can't pay, proof that the event is over.